Hunt down knife, 3CR 13 steel. Looks like a hollow grind. Nice heavy knife. A SCHF 36. Trade work real nice for this too. But I got a bunch of these. I'm making up a little kit. Gonna use some of these candles. They're on sale. Hanukkah candles. Get them on sale in the supermarkets. You could use Yuko matches, whatever you want, any kind of match or anything to light the candle. Then you got some Fatwood, you get your fire going. Big lighter I always have on me. Take the shield off. Doesn't come with that, but I take it off just so it's easy in the cold weather to work. And that's true. It works better. And make yourself a little kit. Got little bags. I don't know how many I'll put in there. Put 4 in here right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I'll just put some of these in there. Got some up here already made up, a little chunkier. But yeah, I have to go to a craft fair. Let me get this up here. I have to go to a craft fair. My daughter does ceramics, but I'm going to bring some of my spoons. I never sell those, but I will. And yeah, make some of these kits. I think I could even split this down even more. May do that. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. A small video. I have lots of Fatwood. These are the bigger pieces. And what I do is I split these down, then I cut them in half, and then I make smaller pieces. Like, you know, it's ideal like that, just to get your fire going, and it'll stay going a long time. So that's what I'm doing right now. Gotta take it easy. Got a bum knee, getting a new knee next month. But yeah, this is cool. But figured I'd take advantage of make up little kits, you know. But so it's Quiniesimo ferro rod. Peace, freedom, keep your eyes to the sky. And this is a nice Thunderhawk sheath that holds many different kinds of knives, and they're really well made. I can't think of the guy's name. It's worth it. I gotta put my glasses on. Shankle, handcrafted leatherworks. That's who makes these. Originally made it for the Mora knives. It fits almost all the Mora knives, just about. And this knife that I was just working at, it's everything, and it's really well made. It's worth it. Costs about 27 bucks, something like that, over Creek Stewart's there. But yeah, I got that. But I'm just gonna make up little kits with the candles, with the Fatwood, and they could light the candle any way they want. Then they can light the firewood or the Fatwood. But or they can shave the Fatwood down more if they want. But that's what's going on. So you take care. Good, man.